Greetings, Maiker members and Maiker staff. I am Linnea Bjorkman, here to offer you another Maiker Mindful Moments. The announcement that we have this month is that Maiker is offering a COVID vaccine clinic for Maiker members and Maiker staff. Please contact your community manager if you have any questions or need any information about our clinic. And our practice today is inspired by a beautiful person named Tara Brock, and it's a practice called RAIN. RAIN stands for recognize, allow, investigate, and nurture. It's a process of self-compassion. So I welcome you to join me by closing your eyes. As we come into our few minutes together, I welcome you to take a deeper breath. Fill the belly. The inhale causing the abdomen to expand, and on the exhale, it releases. The R of RAIN is recognize. Begin to recognize what's happening in the body. Are there any places in the body, mind, and spirit that need tending right now? Recognizing if there's an experience that needs a little bit of attention today. It might be manifesting in the body as tension in the shoulders or the jaw or the hips. And investigating, we further investigate the potential causes or reasons behind whatever it is we are experiencing. Asking yourself, what needs my attention today? And then as you begin to recognize and investigate these sensations in the body or thoughts in the mind, feelings, just allow all of that to be as it is in this moment. Might feel good to take more deep breaths, inhaling through the nose. Perhaps exhaling out the mouth, maybe even making a sigh. And the N of RAIN is nurture. Taking a moment here to really care for yourself. What is it that you need? Is it peace? Is it love? Is it calm? Or is it energy? And offer yourself exactly what you need. sinking into that tender care that you're giving yourself. Allowing the calm, the peace, the energy, the love, whatever it is, to rain down on you, soothing every part of you. Take a deep inhale through the nose. Let out all the air out the mouth. And begin to slowly flutter the eyes open, welcoming yourself back into your space. Gratitude to you, my friends, for practicing with me today, and I hope you all are taking care, and we'd love to hear from you, so please comment and post and email and call and do all the things, and we'll talk to you soon.